Hi, welcome to Lanas y Ovillos, the English channel. My name is Alba, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the most basic granny square that you can make with the crochet technique. You can use the granny square to make a lot of things. You can make blankets, you can make bags, you can make sweaters, you can make lots of things. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you the technique. I'm going to show you how to make the basic granny square and how you can make it big or small and how you can change the color. If you are new here, if you like this video, remember to subscribe and click on the bell to receive the notifications of my new videos. Well, now let's go with a step-by-step how to make the basic granny square. Here you can see different squares made with the same technique. You can see that those two squares are of the same size, but one is made with thinner yarn and I made more rows. So let's start with the granny square. You have to start making a slip knot and chain 4. Make a slip stitch on the first chain and start now with chain 3. And in the hole that you made with the chain 4, in this hole you have to make 1 double crochet. And again in the same space 1 double crochet. So you have the chain 3 and 2 double crochet. Now chain 2 and in the same space another group of 3 double crochet. 3 double crochet. Chain 2 to make the other corner and in the same space again a group of 3 double crochet. We have now 3 groups, chain 2 to make the other corner, the last group of 3 double crochet, and to finish this square you have to make chain 2 and make 1 slip stitch on the third chain that we made at the beginning of the row. This is the first row, the very first row. You can see the shape of the square, and now you have to decide if you want to change the color or if you want to make the square with the same color. If you want to make the square with the same color, you have to continue with the chain 3 And in this chain 2 space you have to make a group of 3 double crochet, counting the chain 3 as the first double crochet. In my case, I will cut the yarn and place the new color. Make the chain 3 with the new color. But you have to make the same. Make the group of 3 double crochet on the chain 2 space before the chain 3. Here you have to make 2 double crochet and counting the chain 3 as the first double crochet, we finished the first group. Now we have to make a chain 1, and on the corner here on the chain 2 space you have to make 3 double crochet, and now we are at the corner. We have to make a chain 2 to continue making, to make the corner, and in the same space again a group of 3 double crochet. So 3 double crochet in the same space, now we are not in the corner, so we have to make only a chain 1 and make the other corner. To make the corner you have to make a group of 3 double crochet, chain 2 because we are in the corner, and in the same space again a group of 3 double crochet. You made the second corner, and now chain 1 and make the other corner on the other chain 2 space. So 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet in the same space, and once you are at the end, remember you have to chain 1 when you are not in the corner, and you have to complete the corner making a 3 double crochet, and then chain 2 to make the corner, and 1 slip stitch on the third chain. In my case I will cut the yarn again place the new color, chain 3, start the first part of the corner here on the chain 2 space. And now we are not in the corner, so chain 1. In this space we have to make a group of 3 double crochet, chain 1 again, and at the corner you have to make another corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet in the same space. We made one corner, chain 1, one group of 3 double crochet on this space, chain 1, and again one corner. And this is what you have to repeat to the end. And once you are at the end, you have to complete the last corner with the chain 1 and make one group of 3 double crochet, chain 2 because we are at the corner, and make a slip stitch with the third chain. And in my case I will cut the yarn because I only want to make 3 rows. And if you want to continue making more rows, remember you have to make the corner with the chain 2, and in the middle, where when you are not in the corner, you have to make a chain 1, and always groups of 3 double crochet. Well, I hope you like it. Remember to subscribe, to click on the bell, and see you on the next video.